Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be trying, hold on one sec. I'm gonna be seeing how muddy I can get this bike right here. I just cleaned it off, so it should be all like clean and stuff like that. So I also just dug out a little track, and it's just lightly sprinkling. You might not even be able to see it, but I'm gonna wait till it's done, and then I'll go out there and see how muddy I can get it. Also, I might go around the house and try a few different spots. So I'll see you when it stops raining and I can go test out the track. Okay, so it has finally or mostly stopped raining, and so I'm gonna go out to the back where I made the ramp or the track, and go get this thing muddy. Let's see you when I'm there. All right, so track's right there. I have to clear it out real quick because it got a little bit like puddly, but that's deep. Okay, cool. So, that was a little bit more than 3 laps. I kind of got carried away, but this is what it looks like. Very muddy. I want to show you how muddy the track is in a minute, but like right here you can see a puddle, and that's just a portion of it. So. It's like dripping. Oh, here's the track right here. It's like there's a puddle right there. Little, I don't even know what that is right there. Turn, go, another turn into a puddle right there, and then a puddle, and then a jump right there. So that's fun. I'm gonna move on. Go somewhere else. This is the bike. right now. That's the muddiest it's ever been. That's sick. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna go inside because it is super cold out here right now, and my fingers are kind of freezing because they've been in cold water for the past 3 minutes. But okay, so I'm gonna go inside and then I'll come back out and do more. See ya. All right, guys. So sorry about the wind in the past videos, probably this one too. Also, the cars on the highway. But I'm gonna go down to my driveway, and because there's usually some pretty good puddles down there, and I'm gonna see what I can find. Okay, so this is probably at its muddiest right now because these puddles might wash it off a tiny bit. But I'm just gonna run them through there. I don't know. I kind of need something else to do because that's the only non-puddly space that I could find around my house. So yeah, take note of that. This is the muddiest it's probably gonna get right there. So yeah. Here's a bigger puddle. Focus. Cool. All right. I wonder. Oh geez. Okay. So that's how deep it is. It goes up to there on the bike. Ooh, I dropped it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Can't see it because it's so muddy. Ooh, ow, that hurt. Okay, I'm gonna do one more puddle. There's a really long one over to my right a little bit, and that'll be my last one for today because my hands are freezing. And yeah. Crap, I just splashed my phone bad. This one's actually muddy. Yeah, just tips. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I might add something tomorrow, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Hands are freezing. So yeah. If I don't add something tomorrow, see you next time. Peace.